Starting the week with compound words. The words that together mean something different, separately they mean totally else. To be specific, we'll be learning action words. The first one of the week in Master Azerbaijani word of the day is gözü dəymək. Gözü dəymək. Gözü dəymək is to jinx, to bring bad luck, or even to tempt fate one's luck. Let's take a look at some phrases, and then we'll be taking a look at some sentences using these phrases, okay? Phrases first. Bir şeyə gözü dəymək. To jinx something. So if you want to replace this bir şeyə with something, you can say maşına gözü dəymək. To jinx the car, okay? To bring bad luck to someone, that's now kiməsə gözü dəymək. You can say mənə gözü dəymək, jinxing me. Or to tempt someone's luck, onun uğuruna gözü dəymək. That can be anyone, okay? Now, sentences. Uşağı hamı tərifləyəndən sonra qəfil xəstələndi. Və nənəm dedi ki, yəqin ona gözü dəydi. Someone. Let's see why, what. After everyone praised the child, he or she, we don't know the child, suddenly got sick. And my grandmother said he or she probably got jinxed by someone, naturally, right? So, praise, tərifləmək. To tərif is a praise, təriflə, to praise, or actually, that's imperative form. Təriflə, praise. Məni təriflə, praise me. Tərifləyəndən, after praised. Sonra, after. Qəfil, suddenly. Xəstələndi, got sick. Now, hamı is everyone. Uşaq, we know it. Uşağı, the child in this case. Nənəm, nənə is grandmother. Nənəm, my grandmother. Yəqin, probably. Ona, that child, basically, he or she. Gözü dəydi, someone's, basically. Jinx the child. The next sentence. Yarışdan əvvəl nə etdiyimizi insanlarla çox paylaşma. Uğurumuza göz dəyməsin deyə yarışdan sonra paylaşacağıq. Let's go back and pay attention to something. Did you notice something? Gözü dəymək. That is infinitive form. Gözü dəydi, you made it past tense. Same here. Now, gözü dəymək. To jinx. Gözü dəyməsin. Do you see how I strike through the whole mek suffix? Because you may think that why you strike through mek and you left me. But in the translation, I will show you. Because technically there is two sounds, right? You may ask, and you are right. I'll explain. Don't share too much with people about what we're doing before the race. We share everything afterward, so we won't jinx it. Now, let's clear the changes in gözü dəymək. Gözü dəymək, someone jinx it. So, in this case, you don't want to say who will jinx it. You want to say, so it's not going to be jinxed, basically, right? Göz. By default, you go. Not someone's, because gözü means someone's eye, right? Now, dəymək. Literal translation means to touch. Dəyməsin, don't touch. So in this case, this me over there, it means, so you can turn the sentence from positive to negative, the opposite form. Not to jinx, basically, you are saying. Gözü dəysin, gözü dəyməsin. That's the case. Now, let's translate the sentence. Yarışdan əvvəl, before the race, nə etdiyimizi, what we're doing, insanlarla, with people. Çox paylaşma, don't share too much. Uğurumuza göz dəyməsin. So we don't want our luck to be jinxed, basically. Hər şeyi, everything, yarışdan sonra, after the race or afterward. Did you pay attention? Yarışdan əvvəl, yarışdan sonra. Before the race or game, after the game. Paylaşacağıq, we will share. Right? That was the first compound word, action word, gözü dəymək. Let's see what I have for you that joke use. Go ahead. Brag about the perfect plan and gözü dəymək the whole thing. You jinx the whole thing. That was today's word. Tomorrow I have another compound word for you. It's also action word that it will mean something, but separately will mean totally different thing. Because technically, gözü değmek was göz eye, değmek to touch. So touch an eye. Now, if you can't wait until then, I have masterazerbaijani.com and the Master Azerbaijani app for you. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for the new word. Cheers.